In this video, we are going to see a formula for calculating the roots of a quadratic equation. So a quadratic equation is an equation of this form: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. For example, you could have a quadratic equation like x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Such an equation is a quadratic equation. And the peculiar feature of a quadratic equation is that it has two roots, and these two roots are two values of x. This variable x, it has got two values, and these two values satisfy this equation. When you put these values into this equation, both of them satisfy the equation, that is, the left hand side and the right hand side come out to be as equal. So in this example, we have x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. The values of a, b and c are: a is 1, b is 2 and c is minus 3. And most of the times these values are known to us, and we have to calculate the values of x. So x has two roots, x1 and x2. These are the roots of this equation. So let's go ahead and look at the formula that can be used to calculate these two roots, x1 and x2, of a quadratic equation. So we have this equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 again, and the roots are x1 and x2. And the formula is minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So let's go ahead and solve an example which makes us use this formula. So this is the question: x square plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. What are the roots of this equation? Find out what are a, b and c. So a is 1, b is 4 and c is 3. Now the formula is x equals to minus of b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So let's put the values of a, b and c in this formula and get the value of x. So is equal to minus of 4 plus minus under root 4 square minus 4 into a, which is 1, into c, which is 3, divided by 2a, so 2 into 1, which is equal to minus 4 plus minus under root of 4 square is 16 minus 4 into 3 is 12 divided by 2, which again, if evaluated, gives us minus 4 plus minus under root of 16 minus 12, which is 4, divided by 2, which again gives us minus 4 plus minus 2 divided by 2. And if you separate out this plus and minus, we can get minus 4 plus 2 divided by 2 and minus 4 minus 2 divided by 2, which is minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2 by 2 and minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 by 2, which gives us the values minus 1 and minus 3. So these are the roots of this equation. So the roots are minus 1 and minus 3. With this, let's solve this question. Find the value of w for twice of w square minus 2w is equal to 5. Equation that is given to us is not in correct format. So let us put it in correct format. Put this 2 inside of the brackets, so 2w square minus of 2w into 2, which is minus of 4w, and put this 5 to the left of equals to, so plus 5 becomes minus 5, which is equal to 0. So this is the perfect format for a quadratic equation. Now we can find out a, b and c, the values of a, b and c. So here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to minus 5. put these values into the formula and find out the roots of this equation. So again, the formula is minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac on 2a. So minus of b, minus of minus 4 is plus 4. So plus 4 plus minus under root of b square. So minus 4 the whole square is 16 minus of 4 into a, which is 2 into minus 5 upon 2 into 2. Again, let's solve this. 4 plus minus under root of 16, minus into minus becomes plus, 4 2s are 8 plus 5. Minus into minus becomes plus, 4 into 2 is 8 into 5 is 40 divided by 4. So let's go ahead. This gives us 4 plus minus under root of 40 plus 16 is 56 divided by 4. Now we have to evaluate it again. So 4 plus minus under root of 56. So 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56. And this 8 can be reduced further to 2 into 4. So this can be 7 into 2 into 4 divided by 4. So it gives 4 plus minus under root of 7 2s are 14 into 4 divided by 4. Again, solving this would give 4 plus minus. You can take this 4 out of the square root. So 4 under root is 2. Root 14 divided by 4. And this can be 4 by 4 plus minus 2 root 14 by 4. So 4 4 gets cancelled out. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. So it is 1 plus minus under root 14 by 2. So our answer is option 1. 1 plus minus under root 14 by 2. This is the answer.